Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you the very basics of a Matlab. So Matlab is a software which is developed by Matlab Simulink. It is a very good software. You can do almost anything on it. So starting with the basics, this is the command window on which you can write any command you want. Simply if you want to add two numbers, you can write 2 plus 2 and press enter. Now if you see this command, it gives an immediate result. If you do not want the immediate result, instead you want to store your value in a, you can do a semicolon behind that, and the value is stored into the variable a. You can try and look into it by entering a and press enter. It will show the value of a, which is 4. So the very basics of a MATLAB is that this is the command window, this is the workspace, and this is the command history. If you want to create a script file, just go to File, New, and Script, and this will appear like that. If your setting is not in this form, you can just go into the desktop and desktop layout, select default. From there it will just go into that mode. It will be easy for you to go into that mode. Now what is the M file? If you can simply do what I have done in the command window, like 2 plus 2 hash, and show the value of a. So what is this command is doing is that it is adding the two variables and showing the value of a. So if you want to run this program, you first have to save it, or you have to press the run button. First it will ask this program to save it. Now the first important thing is that you are working in a bin directory. First of all, you have to change it by clicking this button. You have to select the MATLAB folder which is in the document, so that all your work is stored in this document, and OK. It will show all your programs that are performed by you in this document window. You can see this current folder. I have all the programs which I have done in this window. So if you have to run, you have to save the program first, like I have saving this and save, and running it, it will show the result. I think it is showing the result in the command window. It is not showing the result because I have put a comma, I have put a semicolon after a. So removing that semicolon will show me the result. You can see that. So now you have learned that how to run a script file and how to create a new script file. So basic function, if you want to perform, that can be performed in this window. If you want to perform simple calculations like a is equal to 2 divided by 2, it will give the result. Every calculation, like some trigonometric calculations also can be performed, is like cos of the form of brackets 90. It will show the value of a. And if you want to enter the value of a pi, just write pi. You get the point? So there are some formats in this MATLAB. You can say it like if you format short, and after entering the value, you will get a certain number of calculations, like certain number of decimal places after the point. If I format short e, then type pi, I will get number of decimal places after that. In the same way, there are many formats like format short, format long, and you can check the value itself. What is the value of pi? You see that the decimal places after the point is increasing by a number. You can also try on that format long e. It will also give the value increasing in the form of e. There are many formats you can try it, and if you're talking about a program, a simple program can be made on this, and the output can be shown on the command window. Simple. If I am writing a program like a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, equal to 3, and just 3. Yeah, but in this form you have to type an AND to end the if statement. So if you want to clear the screen, just type CLC and run the program. It will display C. A simple writing program which can be done on that, which can also be done on this, like type in that, it will also show the result, but the file is organized in a much better way by using the .m files. Okay, you get the point. You can type CLC to clear all the screen. So I'm going to tell you simple things about how to create a matrix. Matrix are created in a very easily. Just type A equal to square brackets 1 2 3 semicolon 3 4 5 and close, and your matrix is created. If you want to see right after the enter, you don't have to enter a semicolon, but if you want to store the value in A and after see that, you can also do that. So in this case I am typing semicolon after that, value is stored, and if I want to see what is the value of A, just type A and see the value. It will be in the form of 2 by 3 matrix, I think. Okay, you get the point. Yeah. Simple matrix calculations also can be performed, like I have put the value and just type another B 3 4 5 and 5 3 4 and I can add these two matrices and store their value in C. You can see that. If you want to see what is the value in C, just type C, you will get the value. And in this similar way, all these operations, multiplication, addition, can be performed on a matrix. You can see this cannot be done, I think. Okay, you get the point. And if we want to create a simple for loop, you see the for loop in C and C other programs. I will prepare a simple program for you. For I, the syntax is somewhat different than the other. I have to clear the screen and run the program. It will show 1 2. As simple as that. So these are the very basics of a MATLAB, and this is signing off, Simanjit Singh.